Hey, good morning everybody. As usual, crazy busy. त्यसैले टाइममै दिन नपाउने. I really do apologize. And the main thing though, I really hope that each one of you guys are staying safe यो कोभिडको सिचुएसनमा. So past 4 months जतिमा चाहिँ it has been a lot of staying home, trying not to worry a lot. It's been more important to stay psychologically fit. अरूभन्दा नि मलाई पनि personally hit गरेको थियो in the first month तिर. I started getting a bit too anxious. It ruins your immunity, it ruins everything. So yeah, psychological strength is the key, guys. म पनि यसरी साइक्लिङ नगएको चाहिँ धेरै भइसकेको थियो. Past monthsमा एक दुई चोटि त गरेँ होला, तर यसरी मजाले राइडको लागि भनेर चाहिँ निस्केको छुइनँ. आज पनि त्यस्तो लामो राइडमा चाहिँ जान आँटेको होइन. I really wanted to connect back to you guys very bad. It's a different kind of addiction to be talking to you guys like this. तपाईँलाई साँच्चै भन्न सक्दिनँ how different it feels to be psychologically put. ट्रमा नै भएको थियो कि मलाई पनि धेरै न्युजमा हेरे पनि त्यही deaths. यतिजनालाई लाग्यो, यतिजनालाई लाग्यो, यता यस्तो भयो, यतिजना मर्यो. एकदमै नेगेटिभ छ नि त यो mainstream media, which is very bad. So एउटा पोइन्टमा आएर चाहिँ होइन यो चाहिँ एकदमै नराम्रो भयो भनेर चाहिँ I started not watching news at all. एकदम नराम्रो भइरहेको छ, तर hey, life has to go on. We have to push. This is it. You do not really need to do anything very special to be able to be psychologically strong. Do what you like. That's it. एकदम मोटिभेट गर्छ. मेरो लागि running, cycling, getting out to nature is the key. तपाईँको लागि maybe something different हुन सक्छ. Maybe तपाईँको लागि you can still be psychologically healthy. आफ्नै घरभित्रै बसेर पनि exercises गरेर पनि or whatever you like doing. That can be your way out. I think I'm crossing the road, ring road. यो सीता पाइला पुगे म. So हाम्रो देशमा पनि त्यही हो. गभर्नमेन्टले ट्राई गरिरहेको होला, तर पुगिरहेको छैन. क्वारेन्टाइनको सिचुएसन हेर्दाखेरि एकदमै माया लाग्दैछ. So तपाईँ हामी जो चाहिँ अलिकति comparatively fortunate हुनुहुन्छ यसरी, we have to be more careful and responsible. यदि आनन्द आइरहेछ अहिले मलाई. It might not look that much, तर एकदमै stress free. To plan the day before, you have to wake up tomorrow at 5 a.m. or whatever. And plan your route, pack your lunch, water, get your gear ready. You forget all that unnecessary stress that's coming from the other different aspects of your life. That's very important. So म चाहिँ घरबाट खुसीबुबाट सीता पाइला हुँदै यो माथि वनतिर जाँदैछु. I do not know if I'm gonna make it right up माथितिर, and I do not want to force myself, push myself that hard. आज चाहिँ it's raining a bit. Whew. When you can flow on the road like this, you cannot complain. Oh, यहाँ चाहिँ मजाले हिलो रहेछ. Slow and steady. It's good to have companions. तर कहिलेकाहीँ यसरी सोलो राइडमा आउन तपाईहरुसँग यसरी कुरा गर्दै आउनु पाउनु पनि रमाइलो लाग्छ. To those of you who are cyclists, maybe you can comment down below if you want to join me on a ride. एकदम casual ride organize गर्न सक्छौं. The smell of the fresh air, grasses, paddy, whatever. It's a good smell. आज चाहिँ अर्कै जुत्ता लाएर आएको थिएँ, हाइकिङ गर्ने बुट्स लाएर आएको थिएँ, which are apparently एकदम हेभी नै. ओ बर्बाद रहेछ यार. The bike struggling, the motorbike. I should be all right. Fingers crossed. But this is fun. To be maneuvering your way out of this mess of a road. Man, I cannot breathe. Fixing brake लिनु पर्यो. Knackered. I do not really have that much of a grip, but it's all right for a short ride like this. So this is my setup. यसमा चाहिँ GoPro जान्छ यो बेडमा. This was the gimbal that I got. All right. Let's resume, shall we? It has started to rain a bit now. So बिस्तारै गइन्छ. अलिक गाह्रै परेछ फर्किनुपर्छ है. We've got ourselves a muddy, slippery uphill ride. अति नै चिप्लो छ. I don't think I'll make it, but let's see. The road is fucked. I'm gonna start slipping anytime now. Just wait. एउटा त थाकी पनि सक्यो अलिअलि. टायर सिक्नु थाल्यो. Nearly there. Yeah, that's it, Ollie. I kind of even forgot कि COVID चलिरहेछ भनेर. You forget all the tensions in life. एकछिन ओडा लाग्नु पर्यो. I came up from that. It's very slippery of a road. Hey doggy, Kolida. They're twins. Chichi boy, put it. What's up? Oh, Kolida. Ami. Oh, de. Kol. Okay, boy. Bye bye. Yep, that's a goodbye for him. Let's go. The rain has stopped. This is green देखिरहेछ माथि. This is nice. There are two ways. यहाँबाट जाउँ कि कहाँबाट जाउँ भयो अब. Let's hit this route. It's a bit mushy. क्या चिप्लो के. सकिन. I'm walking it. I know it does not look that steep. Steep is a Castle grip. I think I'll pass this one. Simple bato, no confidence at all with my riding skills. I'd be so happy if I can pull this off. Still don't like me. पछाडि यति हिलो भइसक्यो. ग्रिप भन्ने त कुरै छैन यार. बाइकको पछाडिको टायरमा जे पाइदै भयो राइड. पानी पर्न ठ्याम्मै रोकेको छ. And here we are. हल्का माथि आइपुगेको छौँ. It's a good view. So I'm at a bend. ठ्याक्क माथि गयो भने uphill छ. हल्का curve. Hile bato. Ani halka downhill. Situation of my boots and trousers. This is my hiking boot. Pedal गर्ने गाह्रो. गरुङको छ नि त. Bad decision. So I'm gonna have my mangoes and we'll be off onto this trail. Pura rocky छ. Graveled. Nice and steady. फेरि ढुङ्गा मर्ने भयो. Man, it's hard. Finally, tarmacमा आइयो. It should be an easier pace now. हेरौँ आज चाहिँ म एक्लै कहाँसम्म पुग्न सक्छु. ओइ अलिकति माथिसम्म पुग्छु. अनि त्यहाँबाट पनि अझै पनि धेरै नै लामो माथि छ भने चाहिँ हाप्नुपर्छ. ओके, म अझै पनि अलिकति माथि चाहिँ चढेँ. बिचमा एकछिन लन्च खाएँ. अति नै गाह्रो भयो खुट्टालाई. सो I've decided कि म चाहिँ तलतिर लाग्छु भनेर गोप्रोको ब्याट्री पनि सिक्न लागिसकेको रहेछ. एकैछिनमा सिद्धिने यार, that's not fair. Rocky section अब आउँदैछ. I remember you. अघि यता अति नै थाकेको थियो. ओहो हिलो यहाँबाट सुरु हुन्छ काल. And we're back to the muddy section that I struggle with, kind of. माथि चढ्दाखेरि बिस्तारै जानु छ. अलिकति बढी ब्रेक लाग्यो भने उल्टियो साइकल. अब त लगभग तल पुग्न आँटे जस्तै भइसकेको छ. खासै इन्ट्रेस्टिङ चाहिँ के हुनुवाला छैन जस्तो लाग्यो. Yep. Let's do this. Finally reaching the main road, and this marks the end of the ride, guys. Thank you all for watching. I think I should be ending this vlog right here. Stay safe, most importantly. I'll try to make more videos like this as much as I can. So yes, keep following my channel. If you like to hear me blabber all the time, this has been fun. Thank you guys. Later.